Hello, hello students. Welcome to your online lectures. I am your English teacher. Okay, and my name is Khushbu. We have already started doing the first chapter of your English. We have already started your unit test portion, and I have divided this chapter into two parts. So we'll be doing the second part today. I hope you have already read the chapter. You know how much I have already taught you, and also done the homework where I had told you to describe and write few describing words for the elephant. The learning objectives is again the same. We will know the various qualities about the elephant and what are the features, okay, of the forested area of the particular state that we were talking about is Kerala. Okay, and we are going to go further with the story of the camping in the jungle, which was led by two friends. And we are going to read the chapter, learn the new words, and again their pronunciation and their meanings. And we'll be solving question and answers related to this particular topic. Now, let us quickly start the second part of this chapter. The name of the chapter is Two Boys in Jungle. Okay, before we start, let us quickly revise that we had studied in the previous lecture. We studied that there were two friends and their name was Amit and Velu. And Amit was visiting Kerala, which is one of the state in the southern part of India for the first time. And he was staying with his friend named Velu. And Amit was very excited to visit this new state, and he describes Kerala as a beautiful state that he has ever seen. And Kerala has tall plants and trees, and the trees of the banana, okay, or the leaves of the banana tree, okay, are very glossy and they are green and smooth. And he is asking, that do the ants and all they skate on these trees or no, right? And Velu says that no, don't be silly. Okay, and Amit is asking him that why are the trees over here so tall? So Velu describes that that we get a lot of rain over here and the soil is very fertile, because of which we have tall trees over here. And Amit is asking whether they have forest or no. So Velu says that yes, they have forest and they can see elephants and all the other animals in the forested area. And he is saying that that they might go for a campaigning in in a forested area from their school in the following week. And he invites kind of Amit to come along with him. And Amit becomes very excited and he's asking questions like, is it going to be a real camp where you have tents and then where you have to cook their food on your own? So Velu says, yes, we are going to, do all these things and look at, the stars and all in the sky, and maybe sing songs in the night and we'll have fun. And Amit also says that he will love to go for the camp along with Velu. And so the following week they go and they go out. Okay, Velu and Amit, they go out to explore the forest. To explore is to travel. Okay, in order to find out something, they explore. And when they were exploring, they lose a track, I mean they lose their way. And they go away from where the campsite was. And they're walking along the Periyar river. And they see that they can hear, okay, lots and lots of cries of animals around them. And we will see ahead what happens. Okay, so these still far, so far we had studied about all these things. Now I will read the chapter and explain it to you. Velu, let's walk fast. We must get to the camp quickly. So what does he say? When he can hear the cries, the sound of the animals and birds, they get really worried, they get scared. And so he's saying that who's saying? Velu says that we should walk fast now, and we should really quickly, we should reach the camp. Amit, in an excited voice, will we see any elephants? Suddenly Velu stopped and held up his hand. Listen. They stood still and listened. Okay, so over there, what happens is Velu really gets worried, and he says that okay, we should really go quickly to the camp. And an excited voice, Amit is asking, will we get to see elephants and all? And Velu suddenly stops, and he says that what? He puts his hand near the ears and he says, be quiet and just listen. And what they can hear? Thum, thum, thum. A big animal was coming towards them. An elephant, Velu whispered. They walked quietly on the grass and stopped behind a big tree. There was a large elephant about 20 meters away. Okay, so what they are listening to, they can listen the sound of thump thump thump, which comes when the big animal is coming, or the animal is walking. And which animal do they see? They see an elephant. And they quickly and quietly, they walk on the grass without making much noise, and they hide behind a big tree. You can see over here in the picture, they're hiding behind a big tree. Okay, and they can see the large elephant which is coming towards them. And when they were hiding behind the tree, the elephant was 20 meters away from them. He is angry. Don't let him hear us, Velu whispered. But the elephant heard them. He smelled them too. He put his long trunk up in the air and trumpeted loudly. The boys did not move. Velu was afraid, but Amit wasn't. He was enjoying himself. Slowly, the elephant came towards them. Now he was only 2 or 3 meters away and was shaking his head in anger. He is going to attack us, Velu whispered to Amit. We must do something. He pulled out a big brown paper bag from his pocket. There were some sweets in it. He dropped the sweets on the grass and started to blow into the bag. Soon the bag was like a big balloon. He hit it hard with his hand. It made a very loud noise. Okay, so here he's saying, Velu whispered. Okay, whispered is to talk very softly. Okay, he whispers and tells Amit that he listen, don't move. He should not. Elephant should not be able to hear us because elephant looks very angry, so he might harm us. Okay, so they were trying to be very cool and calm, but the elephant heard them, and he smelled them too. So elephant knew where exactly they were hiding in the forest. So elephant with his long trunk, he lifted his long trunk in the air and trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted is, the sound of the elephant that he makes, right? It's called as trumpeted. The boys did not move, okay? So Velu and Amit did not move at all. Velu was very scared, okay? He was very afraid, he was very scared. But Amit was not scared. Rather, Amit was, enjoying himself. He was very happy that he was looking at the elephant, and all these things were happening and having this experience. Slowly what happened, the elephant came towards them, and elephant now was only just 2 or 3 meters away from Velu and Amit, and elephant was shaking his head, in anger, like moving his head in anger. Okay, and Velu whispered to Amit that I think the elephant is going to attack us now. Okay, and to save ourselves from the attack of the elephant, we should do something. So what he does is he removes a big brown paper bag from his pocket, and in that paper bag was what was there? There were few sweets. Okay, so he removes the sweets and he puts the sweets and all on the grass. Okay, and what he does is he starts blowing into the bag, and the bag becomes like a big balloon. And what happens is he hits it hard. Okay, with his hand he hits hard on the bag, and it kind of it bursts. It bursts. Okay, so when it bursts, what happens is it is making a loud noise. So right, when you blow the balloon and everything, and if it was a balloon, like during your birthdays and then you burst your balloons right after celebrating, so balloon makes a loud noise, right, when you burst it, when you burst it. Okay, so it's the same thing when he is bursting the bag, when he's blowing air. in the bag, and he's bursting it. Who? Velu is bursting it with his hand. There's a loud noise which comes. The elephant stopped, chomped it angrily, and turned away. He walked quickly through the tall grass and soon disappeared into the forest. Both the boys heaved a sigh of relief. He thought we had a gun, said Amit, laughing softly. Yes, said Velu quietly. Let's run. They ran. After some time, Amit said, Look, those are the lights of our camp. What a welcome sight. The two boys didn't stop running until they were safe at the camp. So what happened when Velo started blowing into the paper bag? Okay, and when he bursted it, what happened? The elephant, okay, trumpeted again angrily. Okay, he stopped at that one particular place and trumpeted angrily, and he moved again. He moved again. He turned away, and he started walking. Elephant quickly, fast. He started walking through the tall grass and suddenly disappeared. Disappeared meaning vanished. Okay, into the forest. And both the boys meaning Velu and Amit, they were kind of relieved, that they were safe from the attack. There was no harm done by the elephant to both of them. And so Amit says that you know what the elephant, because of that sound, because of the burst sound of the paper bag, it was so loud that the elephant must have thought that they had a gun. Okay, like a hunter or something must have come over there to hunt, and that's why, with that thought, the elephant must have gone again back to the forest. So Velu quietly said that yes, yes, he thought that we had a gun. And then Velu says that, now let's run fast and let us get back with the other classmate of ours and let us go back to the camp. So they, like they run and run and run to the right path, to the right direction so that they can reach to the camp quickly. And Amit suddenly sees all the lights and everything of the camp which are lit because it is in, like, it's become dark now, and it was evening. And the time they see, okay, their camp and the lights and everything, they're kind of relieved. Okay, it is a welcome sight. I mean, the view is so good. They're relieved that, finally we are safe and we have reached back to our camp with the other students and with the other classmates. Okay, a quick revision. Now we have two friends. Then the name of the friends is Velu and Amit. And Amit is, come to Kerala for the first time, and he's enjoying the whole view of Kerala, the tall trees and the forested area. Both of them, Amit and Velu, have gone for campaigning, from Velu's school, and they go over there in a forested area and they decide to explore. So when they decide to explore on their own, they kind of lose their way. Okay, they have lost their way to come back to the campsite, and when they are there in the forest, what animal do they see? They see an elephant. Okay, and the elephant is very angry, and they feel that the elephant is going to attack them, and that's why they hide themselves, okay, behind a big tree. But are they able to save themselves? No. Okay, initially they feel that the elephant will find them, okay, and attack them. Why? Because an elephant is coming towards them. He has already smelled them, okay, and he's walking towards them and coming. He is just like 2 or 3 meters away from Velu and Amit. But then Velu decides, to come up with the idea, to come up with a plan so that he can save, okay, Amit and himself from the attack of the elephant. And what does he do? He removes a paper bag, okay, brown paper bag from his pocket. Okay, and what was there in that? There were few sweets. And what does he do with the sweets? He puts the sweet on the grass. Okay, when he does that, he now the paper bag is empty. There's nothing in the paper bag, so he blows air into the paper bag. And then what does he do? He bursts the paper bag with his hand. So there is a loud noise, which is being created, which is being made because of the paper bag is being burst now. So the elephant, okay, gets scared and he runs away back into the tall trees and in the forested area. Why? Because he feels that an hunter, okay, has come over here to attack, or hunt him. And finally, Amit and Velu are kind of relieved that they are safe and they are not being attacked by this elephant, and they start running quickly to come towards their camp. Okay, to come back to their campsite. Okay, finally Amit sees that the Amit can see the whole lights and everything of the camp, and he is kind of relieved that they have reached safely, okay, to the campsite again. Okay, the meanings: first one is disappear, that is vanish. Second is heft, okay, that is gasp. Third is whispered, to mutter, to talk softly or to mutter, okay. Fourth one is afraid, that is scared. Sixth one is quickly, to fast. There are few dictation words that you have to write, study and learn. Okay, you need to write these dictation words 5 times and learn them properly. uh, okay, so I'll just read the dictation words out for you. First one is disappear. Second one is trumpet. Third one is sight. Fourth one is laughing. Fifth is whispered. Sixth is enjoying. Seventh is shaking. And eighth is smell. Please write them down in your notebook for 5 times and learn them properly. Okay, your homework will be to copy down and write all the question answers. I will be sending you the question answers on WhatsApp. Okay, but over here in the slide you have seen the meanings and dictation words that you need to write down from the slide, copy it from here. The other notes I'll be sending it to you on WhatsApp. So please, complete all your notes, practice to read the chapter, and send the homework to me personally on WhatsApp by 6 p.m. so that we can mark your attendance. And please start studying all the chapters that we are doing. I will quickly, okay, immediately that after finishing this chapter, in the next lecture, okay, immediately in the next lecture I will be announcing a test for this particular chapter. So please start studying well. Thank you for attending today's lecture. Stay home and stay safe. Take good care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.